Please subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos.
Namaste everyone. I am Sonia Pabbi. I am working as a Vice Principal at Bhavan Vidyalaya Panchkula. Today, using the platform given to me by Life Changers channel, I would love to speak particularly for my dear students regarding the importance of having goal in life, especially in the time going on, that is the pandemic time. All my dear students are bound within the boundaries of their houses, stuck to the screens because of their academics and the activities. So I felt like saying something which may have an impact on their lives. Children, having a goal is really important. As rightly said by Albert Einstein, if you want to live a happy life, tie it to a goal, not to people or things. So, the first thing I want to share with my dear children is that one must have a goal in life. And if you have clear goals in the life, you would exactly know what you want to achieve and how to go about it. A goal can be as big as becoming the CEO of a company, or becoming a big business tycoon, or being on the highest chair of a particular institute, or it may be as small as cooking a particular dish on the lunch for a day. But having it is all the more which is required. When you have a goal, it gives a direction to your life, it gives a purpose to your life, and it sets you on the path. And my dear children, here I would like to make a mention that fixing of the goals is more important. Fixation, while fixing the goal, you should take care that these are achievable and measurable. If the goals fixed are not achievable, then it may lead you towards depressing thoughts. You may start judging yourself, which I always say that never ever judge yourself. Give at least a try to everything that you wish to do. And secondly, if the goals are not measurable, then the happiness that one derives after achieving it, that sense of satisfaction, you won't be able to experience if a goal is not measurable. So while fixing a goal, it should be measurable as well as achievable. And it can be, goal for a day, it may vary from day to day, it may vary from a particular period to period. It depends. It's one's own perspective. And I would like to mention here that if a person wants to achieve something in life, person must dream while one is awake, because that gives you the fire inside you, urge inside you to achieve something, right? But at the same time, there would be moments in your life, days in your life, especially because of that scenario going on, when you may feel little low or depressed. So there is a way out to tackle such things also. We need not to worry about such things. Be with yourself. We call it as me time. Give that quality time to your thoughts, to yourself. Sit with yourself. Talk to yourself. When you are alone, just vomit out all the bad feelings, every negativity out of you, spit it out. Say loudly to yourself when you are alone. See, you will feel relaxed. You will be relieved of all such negative feelings which are going inside you or running around you. Take up any physical activity in a day. That physical activity will not only charge you, but it creates positive neurons in your brain, right? Like students, there can be anything which can inspire you. It can be as small, tiny event or an experience, or you can say a happening in your life. I will share one such event that inspired me in my education. I belong to a family where girls are not given, you can say, opportunities for the higher education, what to talk of choosing a profession. But there was a fire inside me right when I was in the student life, when I was of your age. There was a fire inside me, an urge inside me to prove myself, to do something which has not been done so far by any girl member of my family. So I completed my post graduation in commerce and graduation in education when I joined my first job. And the clerk over there one day, he was requiring some information regarding the staff members, and while filling my information, although in a very lighter mode, he said it would have sounded better if both the degrees would have the master's degree. This statement may sound very irrelevant or may not be very significant for many of you, and one may just reply or respond to the situation in a lighter mode only. Yes, it would have sounded better, but it got stuck up in my mind, and I decided that yes, I will do post graduation in education too. And being in that family, as I've already shared with you, I still decided. And that small statement of a clerk, for reason of his own office work made by him, inspired me to the extent that I completed my post graduation also in education. Why did I share this incident with you? Just to tell you that it can be anything that may leave an impact on you. It can be a small incident that may inspire you or your life. And that is what I am here to tell you. So if you want to be happy, set a goal that commands your thoughts, that inspires your hopes. Here, I am just not delivering a kind of lecture to you. I am really this is my real wish that if today I can leave maybe a small impact, maybe on 10% of the students who are viewing this, my purpose will be solved. And here I am thankful to the Life Changers channel, which has given me an opportunity to reach to the masses, and I am able to say something which may leave an impact. And at the same time, I am thankful to my mentors who have given me such a confidence that today I feel that I have contributed in some way to leave a message or an impact through this video. Thank you.